Still palletizing your dumplings manually with 20 to 30 kilo cartons? One box and your back is done. Can't hire workers during peak season, and the line stops on a dime. 3 big pits of manual palletizing. First, bending to lift 20 to 30 kilo cartons causes injuries and high turnover. Second, unstable cycle times can't keep up during rush. Third, traditional industrial robots need 2 to 3 days commissioning plus engineers, high barrier for line upgrades. This line uses collaborative robots for dumpling palletizing, 8 seconds per case. The bottom support plate carries most of the weight. The robot only handles positioning and transport, human-robot coexistence without isolation fencing. Teach free programming, zero experience operators welcome. 3 core technologies. First, Cobot payload 20 to 30 kilos. The bottom sliding plate shares 60% of the weight. For 30 kilo cartons, the robot only carries 12 kilos. For 50 kilo cartons, it carries 20 kilos with reduced speed. Second, teach free programming, input carton dimensions and stack pattern, trajectory generated in 15 minutes. Hand guiding allows manual fine-tuning. Third, collaborative safety. Torque collision detection at 150 newtons triggers immediate stop. Speed auto reduces to 0.25 meters per second when humans approach. Watch the demo. Dumpling cartons arrive from the conveyor. The Cobot moves into position. Vacuum cups grip the top. The bottom support plate extends to carry the base, steadily transports to pallet placement. Plate retracts, robot returns. Humans and robot work in the same space without isolation. By the numbers, manual handling 15 seconds per case for 20 to 30 kilo cartons, 500 cases a day max. Cobot 8 seconds per case, for 1,000 cases a day nonstop. Deploys in 4 hours. 2 people can transport and position, no programming or commissioning, payback under a year. This workstation handles not only dumplings, but also frozen Tangyuan, pastries, seafood, and other cartons up to 50 kilos. The Cobot body is lightweight, 2 people can move it. Peak season on the dumpling line, off-season transferred elsewhere, flexible deployment. The core of Cobot palletizing isn't how much it can lift, it's how the auxiliary structure helps share the weight, plus teach free programming and safety design to make it truly deployable. Is your line ready for collaborative robots?